Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheyi Dairo, and today I will be showing you exactly how to make money with crypto arbitrage trading, a simple yet powerful way to earn consistent profits online. If you are looking for a low risk crypto strategy that can help you make money daily, then this video is for you. So stick around because I'm going to be breaking it all down step by step so you can start trading immediately after watching this video. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop your comment anywhere you don't understand, then turn up the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I publish in my channel here. So let's go. Now let's start this way. What is actually made by crypto arbitrage trading? What is crypto arbitrage trading? I know you'll be hearing about this. Simply put, it's a trading strategy where you buy cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange and sell it at a higher price in another exchange, making a profit from the price difference. Sound easy, right? It actually is. That is if you do it the right way. Why do price difference exist? The crypto market is highly decentralized, meaning there is no single platform controlling the prices. Each exchange operates independently, be it Bybit, CoinEx, Binance, KuCoin, and name it. So the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other coin may differ slightly from one platform to another. So this now gives access to opportunity to buy low and sell high, making risk-free profits within minutes. How crypto arbitrage works? Now let's break it down into 5 steps. So to help you start trading today after watching this video. Step number 1, open accounts with multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. So to take advantage of crypto arbitrage trading, you need to have accounts with different exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, CoinEx, MEXC, and so on. So this now allow you to move funds quickly between platforms and capitalize on price variations. So if you want to open an account with them, I have helped you. Just check the description to this video. You will see link to sign up, and using that link will also help you to have sign up bonus. So try to have account with some of those things. If you click on those links, it will open you to your browser. If your browser is not open, that means your country is restricted to have access, which means you need to make use of VPN. And if you want to use app, you will see invitation code in my link. Check the description to this video. You will see invitation code. Make use of that code to claim your sign up bonus. Step number 2, when you have created an account already, now the step number 2 is fund your trading accounts. Once you registered, deposit fund into your trading account. The best option is for you to make use of stable coins like USDT or USDC, as they provide a faster and safer trading experience. Step number 3, find price difference between exchanges. Now you need to track prices on multiple exchanges. I repeat, you need to track crypto prices on multiple exchanges. I'm referring to exchanges you have signed up for. You need to track prices of the crypto in those exchanges. And how are you going to do that? I'm going to show you. You can make use of CoinMarketCap. Let me show you how to do that, like manually. You can use bots to achieve that also, but manually you can make use of either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So let me use CoinMarketCap to quickly show you these aspects. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, then from here alone you can see today's cryptocurrency price by market cap. So from here now you can come down, look at the top. You can click on trending, you can click on new, but let's talk about this top one here. You can say, okay, now you want to, okay, for instance, now this is USDC and this is XRP, this is Bitcoin. Let's say XRP now. Okay, this is USDT now. So this is coin market cap. For instance, now let's come here now. This is top, right? So this is Theta USDT. Let me click on it. Now from here I will click on this markets. Click on this markets. So when I click on markets now, I want to look at the price. All these are prices. Look at this place, prices. Now these are exchanges. Look at exchanges. Look at the pay. So look at the prices now. You are going to see price difference based on exchanges. So manually now you can use this now to track down the price difference in different exchanges available here. Are you guys seeing it? This is Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, BitGet, and so on. You can also make use of bots called arbitrage scanner bots. Yes, you can also make use of that. But manually, you can use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to achieve this. So these tools will actually help you to spot differences, price differences, and know exactly where to buy low and where to sell high. Step number 4, execute your trades. Once you spot an arbitrage opportunity, then buy the coin at a lower price on one exchange. Then immediately transfer and sell it on another exchange for profit. I repeat, immediately transfer and sell it on another exchange for profits. Then step number 5, withdraw your profit, of course. Once your trade is successful, withdraw your profit back to your main account and repeat the process. The more time you do this daily, the more money you can make. Now, let's talk about the important factors to consider. Before you start crypto arbitrage trading. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Number 1, trading and withdrawal fees. Make sure fees don't eat into your profits. Number 2, market volatility. Stick to stable and highly liquid cryptocurrencies. Number 3 is liquidity. Always trade on platform with high volume to ensure smooth transaction. That is liquidity. An example of those exchanges is like Mexi, Binance, Bybit, CoinEx, and so on like that. The last of the keys I want to give you now is transaction speed. The faster you execute your trades, the better chance of you making money. Common risk in crypto arbitrage. Yes, common risk in crypto arbitrage. Although crypto arbitrage is profitable, but it's not completely risk-free. Here are some risks you need to watch out for. Number 1 of it is price change before completing trade. I repeat, price changes before completing trade. If you are too slow, the price difference may disappear before you can sell. 2 is exchange delays. Some platforms may take longer to process deposits and withdrawal. The third one is security issues. Always use reputable exchanges to avoid scam. Let me give you pro tips to maximize profits if you want to go into crypto arbitrage trading. Pro tips to maximize profits. Number 1, act fast. I repeat, act fast. Crypto prices change every seconds, so speed is the key. Then you may target newly listed coins. Yes, you may target newly listed coins because it often have a higher price variations. Then what more can I tell you? Use low fee exchanges. Yes, you have to do that research. Low fee exchanges, make use of them. There are some exchanges, if you use them, using them to transfer to another exchange, I don't want to mention. Using them to transfer to another exchange will cost you a lot of money. Not all. There are fewer exchange like that, so you have to master them not to fall into this problem, so that exchange fee will not eat your profit and will not make you run into loss. Then what else can I tell you? You may avoid using USD pairs. Instead, you can make use of either USDC, BUSD, or other stable coins. And if you know how to make use of trading bots, also you can make use of trading bots. It will help you. Then the last thing I want to tell you is that don't get greedy. Take small consistent profit and move on. So that is it, guys. That is just information I have for you on crypto arbitrage trading for many of you that have been aspiring to go into this trade. Now you know how to make money with crypto arbitrage trading. Is that not? Please, if you find this video interesting, helpful, and educating, please, I want you guys to smash the like button for me. I want you guys to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm begging you, please share this video. I am begging you, share this video. And if there's anything you don't understand, please make sure you drop a comment for me. I will respond to that as soon as possible. All right, so I am recommending you should go and watch this video. This one, very important. Go and watch this and this one. For any other inquiries, check my description box or pinned comment. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.